Hello kids, it's fall, and for one little girl, that means the special joy of visiting the Comstock farm, choosing the reddest apples from the trees, and finding the best pumpkin in the patch. Back home, she helps her mother carve a funny jack-o'-lantern face and just in time for Halloween and on evening of trick or treating. Apples and pumpkins. When red and yellow leaves are on the trees. She is there. Everybody is there. We go to the Comstock farm to pick apples and pumpkins. Mr. Comstock gives us a bushel basket to put our apples in. Geese and chickens and a big fat turkey walk with us on our way to the orchard where the apples grow. My father picks apples. My mother does too. I climb into a little apple tree and pick the reddest apples of all. When our basket is full of red and shiny apples, we go to the field where the pumpkins grow. I look and look until I find the best pumpkin of them all. My father cuts it from the vine. I carry it back to the car. At home, we carve a jack-o'-lantern face on our big orange pumpkin. We put a candle inside and light it. Now our pumpkin looks scary and funny too. On Halloween night, we put our pumpkin on the doorstep. My mother gives away lots of red and shiny apples for trick or treat. While I go trick-or-treating up and down our street, we enjoy Halloween. Okay, bye.